It's me again. What am I doing? I'm putting, see these little things? I can see it. That's a riv nut. What am I doing? I'm putting riv nuts in here. I'm planning on drilling all the holes, so I can just put the riv nuts in and screw it on. Instead of using nuts and bolts, I'll put the, I guess this would be the nut. I'm going to riv nut the whole entire machine so that I can just screw the thing back on. It's easier than everything else. So stay with me and I'll show you what I'm doing. Stay there. I wonder if you can hear me. Let's see if it fits. And he's a little bigger. Big enough? Oh yeah, fits. Now what I'm doing, I'm gonna riv nut the whole thing. So hold on one second. Well, folks, you know when you just got a problem. Well, I got the riv nut thing. This thing's great. This thing fits great. See this part right here? I'll show you. This piece right here is the where is it? Anyway, this piece inside this little thingamabobber right here. See this piece right here? It's different sizes. Went to Harbor Freight. Bought a really good tool. It's well made. It's not cheap. I mean, it is what it is. But I got one problem. This piece don't fit in this piece. So I gotta go on Scamazon and order the right tip for this so I can get it to work. Yeah. Way to go. They sell you 16 different kinds of riv nuts and you only get 5 different riv nut things in the holder, and I did not bother to check that. So gotta put this on hold for another 2 weeks till I get some, or if I can find some around here. But I highly doubt nobody even knows what these things are around here. Like, people go, oh, what is that? They've been around, like, they've been using riv nuts for what? In vending machines, I think, since the 40s. So, okay. Scamazon it is. Thanks for watching my short little video.